Let's go! Another day in the Pokemon Gundam pack opening. Starting off today is Pokemon Chaos Rising. Let's see what we get today, guys. Code. Starting off, Still Energy. Cullidan, Frogadier, Scurry, Gumi, Claydol, Transformation Tone, Ferrothorn, Reverse Hollow Carnivine, Reverse Hollow Digifox, and a Hollow Xenesis. And now onto Gundam Phantom Ariel. Michael's Trinity, Sokyu, Jamil's Gundam X, Backup, Evitors, GN Armor Type E, Kapul, Rosenzula, Gundam Carriel's Tail Booster, Financer, Gundam Virtue Transam, Gundam Throne Ends, and Penelope? Yeah, Penelope Resource. Alright guys, that's it for today's Pokemon Gundam pack opening. If you enjoyed, please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you, goodbye.